morning, everyone. We are here for our wrap-up celebration for our 25th anniversary. We've been doing stuff the whole month of August leading up to today, and we've been collecting names all month long, and we're going to be doing our drawing this morning for our big grand prize baskets. We have 12 of them we're going to be doing. So 6 of them are here and 6 of them are over in the other area. We do have customers in the store, so you might see people or hear noise, but just, try to ignore them like we do. So one thing before we do the drawing, I do want to give a shout out to a lot of our vendors. We requested some donations from them, and they really stepped up to the plate, and they gave us wonderful things to pass on to you. So those vendors were Checker Distributing, Northcott Fabric, Andover Fabric, Free Spirit, Island Boutique, Shannon Cuddle, Benartex, Moda, Quilting Treasures, Robert Kaufman, and Clothworks. So we really want to thank all of our vendors for making this celebration super special for us and for you. So on with the show, we're going to be drawing our names. So we got a lot of names in here, a couple hundred, probably a couple thousand. So our first winner is going to be Roxanne Playcheck, P-L-A-C-E-H-R-K. All right. I'm good. Yourself?
Congratulations, Roxanne.
Our second winner, Karen Franks from Fredonia. Right. Our third winner is going to be Lily Boucher, B-O-U-C-H-E.
Congratulations.
Our next one is Cheryl Glander, G-L-A-N-D-E-R.
And you'll notice in some of the baskets, and all of the baskets, there are a variety of things. Some of it quilting, some of it applique, some machine embroidery. It's a mix of everything, so if you get something that you don't use, give it to a friend.
The next winner is Kathy Hardrath. Kay DePactor.
Congratulations.
All right, so that's the first 6. We got to carry our bucket over to the other side. The baskets were so big we couldn't fit them all on one table.
And I'm going to go this way for a second and just show you. We got some beautiful new fusions in, and we got some great William Morris in the last couple days, and also a really cute gnome Christmas line and some snowmen, a sweet winter line. So we're headed back to the other baskets, and Cheryl is here and ready to go.
All right, and our next 6 winners will be Dana Hugerford, H-U-H-G-E-R-F-O-R-D, Dana.
Congratulations.
And Becky Bergain. Lonnie Kirschbaum.
And Lonnie is here.
Lonnie!
Yay, Lonnie! That's it.
Oh my gosh.
Can we put your smiling face on the video?
And seeing as you're here and there's 4 baskets left, we'll let you pick one.
Oh.
So these 2 are already taken, but you have a choice of those 4.
Wow. Decisions.
See the benefit of being here. Okay, then we have Janet Hungerford. So I don't know if they're sisters or.
But you would guess they'll be related.
Did you pick one yet? I can't tell which one. What's your favorite color? $39.
She doesn't have one.
This one? Okay.
There you go.
Right, we'll just leave it sit there, but okay.
That's it.
All right.
Perfect. Congratulations, Lonnie.
Thank you.
And fun that you were here.
Yeah. Karen came in.
Congratulations, Karen.
And our
Yes,
last one. Gonna be Latrice Lutz, and she just
left. She'll have to come back.
So we'll give her a call.
So,
All right. Thanks everyone who came in the last month during our celebrations. We hope you had as much fun as we did, and we look forward to seeing you in our future.
and we've got rewards bucks through Saturday and cake every day through then as well.
All right.
Thanks.
Have a great day.
Bye-bye.